Your brain lies to you. It makes you think you understand things you don't. This happens every single day. You read something, you nod, you move on. But deep down, your mind is empty. There's a technique that exposes this lie. It was created by a physicist who could explain quantum mechanics to a child. His name was Richard Feynman, and his method reveals a disturbing truth about how we learn. Most people never truly understand what they study. They memorize, they repeat, they forget. They fool themselves into thinking knowledge exists in their head. But it doesn't. Here's how the technique works. Step 1. Choose a concept you want to master. Step 2. Explain it out loud as if teaching a 12-year-old. Use simple words. No jargon. No complexity. Just plain language. And here's where it gets uncomfortable. You'll stumble. You'll pause. You'll realize you don't actually know it. This is the moment most people avoid. The moment where ignorance is revealed. But Feynman understood something dark about human psychology. We hide our confusion behind complicated words. We use technical terms to mask the gaps in our understanding. It's a defense mechanism, a way to protect our ego from the truth. When you force yourself to use simple language, that protection disappears. The gaps become visible. You see exactly what you don't know. Step 3. Go back to the source material. Study only the parts you couldn't explain. Fill in those specific gaps. Then try explaining again. Step 4. Simplify even further. Use analogies. Use examples. Make it vivid. If you can make a complex idea feel obvious, you own it. This technique works because of how memory actually functions. Your brain doesn't store information like a computer. It stores connections. When you explain something simply, you're forced to connect ideas. You're building a web of understanding, not memorizing isolated facts. But there's something deeper happening here. Something most people never realize. The act of teaching reveals what you value. When you explain a concept, you choose what matters. You strip away the noise. You find the core. This process changes you. It doesn't just transfer knowledge into your brain. It rewires how you think. You start seeing patterns everywhere. Complexity becomes simple. Confusion becomes clarity. And here's the unsettling part. Once you learn this way, you can't go back. You'll notice how many people talk without understanding. How many experts hide behind words. How much of education is just performance. The Feynman technique doesn't just teach you faster. It makes you see through the illusion of knowledge. In others, and in yourself. The question is, are you ready to face what you don't know? Because once you start explaining things simply, the truth becomes unavoidable. Most of what you think you understand, you don't. And that realization is where real learning begins.